Hey, hi, Glenn here. It is Workshop Wednesday, something like that. Workshop Wednesday, we're in the workshop at the Gardens. Wow, it's January, so the last Workshop Wednesday status report we did was back in November of last year. We have done a ton since then, and so just wanted to catch you up to where we are right now. I'm gonna drop a little video in, maybe not right now, but we got the tent taken down. We had to take the sides out, so I'm gonna show you that first, and then bringing the tent down itself, taking that all out. Oh wait, hey, check it out. Check it out from the last time. See it right there? That one. Yes, we did another window. So we have trimmed another window. So that's one a year. 2 years, 2 windows trimmed, and only 8 more to go. Give it time, give it time. We're getting there. Shop's still cleaned out. You're starting to see that more. Almost done finishing the tables. No, not really. Halfway through finishing the tables. Gonna show you a whole bunch of fun things that are happening today. Let's watch that tent come down, and then we'll catch in a bit. Hey, that was pretty cool watching that tent come down. Back in the shop, we got this little bit of a frame made because we're working out on the fence today. Last status report, we were getting ready to work on the fence. All those posts got in. I think I'll put a little picture of the night time when we finished, Ben working on the last post going in. But used our little Kreg pocket joiner little thingamajigger to do a couple pockets to make this nice square frame. That's going to be used on the gate out in the corner. And I think we just got a call. The semi is showing up. So yay, we get to load a crate into a semi. So I think he's just about here. Let's go look at that later. So the truck is here. There's the crate. It's an old drafting table from my dad that's headed to Big Fork, Montana. Andy's getting a drafting table. How cool is that? All right, we're gonna get this thing loaded. Go on its way. Woo! All right, we are in our little corner of the world. Yay! It is the corner of the gate. So last time we showed out here, there was a pile of brush there, and the log from the white pine was there. If you didn't watch the other status report, the last one, I don't know, we'll put it somewhere, maybe at the end. There's all the other poles that we've got put in that night. But we're gonna get this door right here. Is it a door? Is it a gate? It's not really gonna get used that much, but we're gonna put it in here just in case. I think I'm gonna drive the tractor through here once or twice a year just to say.
Just to do it?
Because we can? Yes. A lot of things happen because we can. All right, let's put this thing in. There you go, sport fans. Oh, I think we're gonna warm up. We got a couple little boards. Hey, is that a gate there? Or is that just part of the fence? I don't know. It's Benji Moto. Hello. Oh, wait a minute. That's a different thing. Speaking of in the shop, because, yeah, I don't know. Get that sun behind us, that'll look good. No, in the shop, the semi truck that we loaded with the thing, actually Andy was here and we did, and in the shop, so that's going to be in the shop number 7. That'll be number 7. And then Brian wants to come down and play some more music, so actually it's not going to be 7, it might be 8 or 9, or maybe we'll do one down at Duck Hill with him in the background. Just an idea, don't get all excited. Is that your phone? I think he just texted you. All right, we're gonna head in, warm up, and then put a latch on this, and there we go. If you want to know where this corner is, right over there, there's our beautiful little garden suite right there. We just did a video on putting the roof on that, so I'll put a card up there. Watch that. Seems like we're coming in off the tundra as we walk in from the corner. Our light is fading. We've had 1 snowfall this week, 2 snowfalls, and we've got 2 more this week, so probably, they say 14 inches by the end of the week. That right there is where the tent came down. You saw that video earlier. And right there, the little pots, that's where we had the Knucklehead sauna set up. I'm going to put another card up there. Check, we put in some footings, and that's where the new pergola that we're going to be working on, covered pergola, is. And we put all of the Knucklehead Sauna stuff right under there underneath the garden pavilion, because we're gonna set up all the scaffolding for another one back there. That'll be kind of fun. All right, it cooled off, but what a gorgeous day. How you doing?
YouTubing?
Something like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
There you go. There's your package.
Woohoo! Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, hi, we're back in the shop. Workshop Wednesday, which is actually Tuesday when we're filming, but that's when Ben comes in and spends a day here on Tuesday. Sometimes Wednesday, that's why he's in all these videos. It's not like he's here 24/7, although it may seem like he's here 24/7. But yeah, on the way into the shop from the corner of the thing, putting up the gate and fence, FedEx guy showed up, so we might even have an unboxing, because we're not gonna wait. Last thing I was gonna show you, I was gonna mention this. There's like this big unveiling. I might have to get closer. And as our sun sets, something like that. Anyways. Workshop at the Gardens is at the Gardens of Castle Rock. Wow, that's gonna be an awesome sunset. Wouldn't it be cool, like, if we set a camera up to get like a time lapse of the sunset coming down here with all the lights on?
Who would do that?
That would be so cool. Anyways, Gardens of Castle Rock. So each year we put out this thing called the Complete Wedding Rental Package. If you don't know that, you can DM me, email, get me something, and I'll get you one or two. Anyways, this is from 5 years ago up on the Grand Promenade. And then it was this awesome wedding in the Lath House. You see that one. And then the Epic Wedding, which will always be known as the Epic Wedding. Kyle and Erica down in the Wedding in the Woods. That was pretty awesome. Last year's was Pachi and Colby's wedding with the flowers hanging there. OMG, that was so amazing. And are you gonna be the drum roll? There, that's better. That's why the box showed up. Ta-da! Rachel and Graham up on the Grand Promenade. That was so amazing. All right, something like that. That's cool. Now important things. Unboxing. Have knife or cut. Oh yeah. Because we save boxes around here because you never know when. Should I do a Finley unboxing? Instructions? There it is. What's a big router?
Holy crap.
3.5 horsepower, and it goes around fast. 22,000 RPM.
That's insane. That looks really nice.
Yeah.
And it's
I'm wondering if the handles will stay on there. It'll get bolted down to something. So, no, this is not going to really be used for handles. This is going to be a build that's going to be happening shortly, which we're not going to tell you what it is. But we cut big logs into slabs, so we're going to make... Anyways, you will have to...
extrapolate from incomplete information.
Yes, or subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, ding, and you'll be notified when our next video coming from the workshop at the Gardens at some point in the future. You will see this guy strapped down to something big on a table.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Hey, thanks for watching.